Good morning, dear children. Come on the page number 14. We learn the lesson Govind the Little Helper. Below that lesson, today we are going to learn some of the words which having syllables. There are some words which are called as a one syllable word and two syllable. So what is syllable actually that we are going to learn today? See here some examples are given. Two words are given. Farmer, far plus mer, mer. Farmer forms. Pen plus seal, pencil form. So words have vowel sound. Do you remember which are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. And words have vowel sounds. We can divide the given word into parts according to the number of vowel sounds. Now here the word farmer, it has two vowels A and E. These are the vowels, two vowels. So this word is divided into two parts, far and mer. Here also pencil. This word have two vowels E and I. These are a vowel. So this word is divided into two parts, pen and a seal. Pen plus seal. So these parts of words are called syllable. So there are two types, are one syllable word and a two syllables word. Let's understand more about these words. Here some example are given which having only one vowel sound. Ant, bat, egg, burn, jug. In this example, A is a vowel. Here bat, in a bat, A is a vowel. In an egg, E is a vowel. U is a vowel in burn and U is a vowel in a jug. So these are the examples of one vowel sound. So thus one syllable. So they are a one syllable words. And another examples of two syllables are parrot, hunter, peacock, master, window, etc. have two vowel sound. So thus such words are known as a two syllables word. Here examples are given. Parrot. This word is divided into two parts. P-A-R, par, R-O-T, rot. Parrot. Hunter, peacock and master. Window, win plus D-O-W, do. So window is two syllable and is one syllable. Here, question number 3, say the word and tick the correct box. One is done for you. Word in one first column word is given. In this there are two columns, one syllable and two syllable. You have to read the word and tick into the correct column. Car is a one syllable because it's having only one vowel. So sound is car, one syllable word. Mother is a two syllable because it having two vowels. That's why it is a two syllable word. Room, room is a one syllable. Why? Room has two vowels here, O. But this together form U sound. That's why room. So that's why room is a one syllable, though it having two vowels. Then trash. Here, trash, trash. This having only one vowel. That's why it is one syllable word. Iron. Iron is a two syllable word because it having I and O. These are the vowels. And the table is also a two syllable word because it having a two vowels A and E.